Ka office u district sports officer ribhoi mentaka step kala penlong ya ka jingai rally ka basan kilometer daki bicycle kumshi benta ban Pynphriang ya ka Khubor halor ka jingai le Pyrshah ya ki Jingdih bat ki jingbam penbuat kani ka jingai rally kelas dang na Saidan bat penkut Nongpoh ha ka baki khun Samla na ki benta ba pher ka than Nongpoh kilawan ban shim bentalang ha kani ka singi la don ru ka jing shim bentalang uba Bobby El Nongbet district sports officer ribhoi Kadba ya karadi lawan ban kawe lama kum kadak kajing sedang dekat kong Rida Shisha Dendam senior coach na ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Meghalaya. Hadirin kajing rally lapan long ke program ka balungkot hak khamar ka Nongpoh shopping complex hak ka balapan syai pat ba halor kajing tumu jong kani kajing rakhi bat halor kajing trelang kitnat sorkar ba pher ban rat ding khong ye kajing di bat kajing bam penbuat ki bakta ya ka kot ka khia jong ki pat ba. Hakatika program lawan banshim bentalang da Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi Dr. Abhishek Saini Kumukongsan kakong NF Sun District Social Welfare Officer Uji Rabha di SP Traffic Ribhoi kakong Rida Lendam Senior Coach na Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Shillong lambat kiwe he officer. Kani kajing penlong ya ka cycling rally kalong kum kawe na kilat ban kan piu ya kajing tepat ba bat ban penslur ya ki Samla ban jit ya kajing em ka bakot pakhia bat ban kentat ya kajing di penbuat.
To the office for this occasion. At the same time, I want to mention, sir, that your presence
Many of you have come here, participated early morning enthusiastically. And I will not take too much of time because I can see most of you are very tired and you want to go home now. So I'll just give a short message that please stay away from drugs. As simple as that. Drugs not just destroy the person, their family, the society, everyone. And in the short term, they might give some pleasure, but in the long term, they completely ruin your life. And the solution is very simple. You just have to say no. Whoever tells you, let us try this, it feels very good, let us experiment, you simply have to say no to drugs. Ong M U drug. So that is a very simple solution. And I would urge all the youth to take, participate in one particular sport that you like, at least. Because the sport will give you the same feeling, same happiness, same euphoria, and it will improve your health rather than using drugs for the happiness which will destroy your health. So when you take up the sport, when you play football, cricket, whatever, cycling, you get that feeling of euphoria, happiness, and at the same time you are improving your health and you are contributing positively to the society. And whatever problem you are facing, always talk to your parents, your friends who are there to help you. Don't depend on drugs or fall back on such kind of habits. And as our DSP has mentioned that this is Nasha Mukta Bharat, it includes the drinking also. So please say no to drunk driving. And this highway is a very busy highway. Many accidents take place because of drinking and drunk driving. So please don't indulge in drinking and driving and obey all the traffic rules. We want to keep the district as safe as possible, and that is my appeal to all of you. So with these
Two, three. Come here. Session 1, 2, 3. Thank you.